Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Tuesday tour. Once again, I am your guide and realtor, Nathan Matheson, and today I'm going to be walking you through a beautifully built brand new home. Now, just getting started, this is a 2-level home with all 4 bedrooms upstairs. The downstairs area is a true open concept layout. The kitchen features a beautiful waterfall island, along with custom cabinetry. The walkways in the kitchen also are wider than your average home, allowing for there to be plenty of space and really adding to that open concept feel. Now, checking out the living room, you can see that they have an electric fireplace for you to utilize for both heat and the mood with its color changing abilities. Now, that is not the only heat available, as actually directly above in the living room, there is one of the mini splits they have, and then they also have a heat pump and wall heat. And then, of course, in this new built home, they have AC, which is a great feature to have as a lot of older homes in Seattle do not have air conditioning. Now, as we head upstairs, a quick note to make in the downstairs is that it has 10-foot ceilings, which really adds even more to that open space feeling, and with bringing in extra natural light through the higher windows. Let's run through the statistics of this home. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,552 square foot home that also features a 2-car garage. Saving the primary for last, we're going to take a look at the bedrooms on the left side of the wing, but also along with the 3 bedrooms, you also have the laundry room, which features a nice sink for you to utilize, and then also a full bathroom here. Now, as you can see, all of these rooms are pretty average in size, not too small, not too large. Now, making our way over to the main event, the primary suite, and I feel like they did an excellent job on this part, as they have plenty of closet space with 2 large closets, and then the bathroom was very thoughtfully designed with the toilet tucked away in its own little room, and yes, you can open both doors at once. You've got the dual sinks along with the separate shower and tub. And then, of course, the eye grabber here is that see-through fireplace. And as if the primary couldn't get any better, it also has a little nook where you could read before bed or have a cup of coffee in the morning or whatever you want to do with that space. Then also of note, not only are the ceilings downstairs extra high, the ceilings upstairs here in the primary have a nice tilt to them, allowing for that extra space above. Now, that just about does it for today's Tuesday tour with the radar. Once again, I'm your guide and realtor, Nathan Matheson, and feel free to reach out with any questions at all. See you guys next week on the podcast, but until then, thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.